In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create puzzles in Canva customized puzzle. By the end, you'll have a printable puzzle made from your own photo, ready to cut and enjoy. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. Choose Custom Size, then set both the width and height to 500 by 500 pixels. Using a square canvas makes it easy to line up the puzzle grid and ensures everything fits neatly when you print. We'll keep it at 500 by 500 for a clean, compact result. Next, go to the Uploads panel and add the photo you'd like to turn into a puzzle. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. Use the corner handles to scale the photo up so it fills the entire square without stretching it. If the image looks off-center, drag to reposition until the key part of the photo sits comfortably within the frame. Now, head over to the Elements tab and type Puzzle Frame into the search bar. Click the Graphics tab to see puzzle piece style overlays. You'll notice different styles, some show a single piece, while others form a full grid. Choose a puzzle graphic you like and make sure it's one that covers the entire square so your finished design becomes a complete jigsaw layout. Place the puzzle graphic on top of your image and resize it so it perfectly matches the edges of your photo. Drag the handles carefully until the grid fully covers the canvas. If the lines are hard to see against your photo, click the color option for the puzzle graphic and choose a line color that contrasts well. Dark lines stand out on lighter photos, and lighter lines work well on darker images. Aim for a color that looks good and is clear enough to follow when cutting. When you're happy with the look, go to the top right corner and click Share. Choose Download. For printing, PDF or PNG are reliable choices. PDF often preserves crisp edges on vector-style graphics, while PNG gives you a high-quality image file. Pick the format you prefer and download your puzzle. Finally, print the page and cut along the puzzle lines to create your physical customized puzzle. Take your time as you cut, following the curves of each piece. Printing on slightly heavier paper can make the pieces feel sturdier and easier to handle. That's it, your personalized Canva puzzle is ready. Thanks for watching.